This is a brand new tutorial from Alpha Guru. In this tutorial, I will show you some thing that you can import font. So this is basically a important thing that you need all time in your game or application, etc. etc. So in Godot, you can importing font by it is not a difficult way. Okay, so let's go to tutorial first. Here I can select root node is a control. Yeah, control is a GUI node. Here some GUI work should be happened. Okay, now should select label for heading of your game, etc. Something like that. Okay, in this level we can first select the text. Okay, your game heading. Okay, we have to align it to center, vertical align to center, and size should be the full of the viewport. My viewport is 500 into 300. Okay, let's go to middle of your game. So here in this type, in any resolution, your heading will be in the middle of your screen. Any resolution in your game. So we have to import font. Font file is basically a true type font file, so you can't use true type font file in direct to the Godot, so you have to import it. So here is import option, font. Okay, I did there before. Okay, I have in my directory, main directory of my game, I have global.ttf file. Okay, we have to open it first. Okay, here the source font should be okay, and destination resource should be here. I do it here. Destination resource should be in the res folder, because the res is the main source. It is the source where your engine.cfg file is loaded. Okay, so I destination folder. Okay, name should be my font, etc, 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 etc. Okay, it should be created .fnt file. Okay, we need the .fnt file to import it. Okay, we don't need a .ttf file, we need only the .fnt file. Okay, and here I can adjust the font size. Okay, so so heading should be bigger, 32 should be good. 32. Okay, so I imported it as a my font etc.fnt. Import, here import it. So it is in res folder, that means it is in a game folder. So here font. Okay, custom fonts. So we need custom fonts, we need fonts that should import. So this is custom fonts font. Okay, we can load here in res folder, that's my source folder, my font etc.fnt. We can select, open. Now see the magic. So you have to adjust the font size before importing. Adjust the font size before importing. After you import, you can't change the font size. Okay, that's great, so easy. Should be game heading, and you could use font color, custom font color, that is here. You can select any font color. Okay, this should be great. Okay, just be tick mark here. Okay, so in this way you can import font. That's so easy. That's all for the tutorial. If you have any question, please let me know. I can answer you. Okay, bye.